Story number 7. This was a lower ranking story, so I was a little tempted not to get into this one, but this is one that affects many of us and actually starts a debate that I saw some journalists do when they were talking about it the other day, going back and forth on what's going on. The headline for story number 7 is parental stress is an urgent public health issue, and U.S. Surgeon General says this in a new advisory to everyone out there. The Surgeon General is saying that parental stress is big. It's large. It's like smoking and depression. This one is a big deal. The advisory highlights the growing pressures parents are facing. This is exacerbated by life, economic challenges, lack of child care support, and societal expectations. Societal expectations is the TikTok, Instagram life of, beautiful people wearing beautiful things, then, with beautiful babies. When in actuality, your baby might not be all that cute. You did not really want to spill that ketchup on your blouse and wear it all day. And you're stressed out and tired. Our Surgeon General, Murphy, calls for increased awareness and support systems to help parents manage stress, emphasizing the need for policies that promote work-life balance, which is near impossible, but you should try it anyway. Affordable childcare, which seems to be impossible, but we should try to make that work anyway. And mental health resources, plenty of which are out there. I tout many of them myself because I deal with a lot of stress in my work. And let's just say the 12-year-old is a bit of a handful on her own. And sometimes the 29-year-old is a bit of a handful on his own. So, yes, stress is an issue. Stress is as big as smoking. Yes, stress for parents is a big thing. Now, where it gets a bit of a controversy off the rails is where people who without kids, the childless cat ladies, if you will, often tout that, well, you kind of got into this on your own. You kind of wanted kids or you had this kid, and now you have to deal with this kid until you're tired of dealing with this kid, sometimes into their 30s, because sometimes kids are always kids. And that's a valid argument to a point, but it's not like it's not like a choice where we said for rehoming puppies. You get stressed out and you take the puppy back. As mad as people can be about that, you can take the puppy back. You can't take the kid back. Sometimes the situations around childbirth are a bit complicated, and it's just it's an argument that really shouldn't be had. Yes, people without kids are stressed, but they don't have to deal with childcare and rearing stuff and the safeties of the internet and predators and all the things out there. All the scary things that we somehow as kids just sort of didn't know existed. They exist. They are here, and we as parents worry about them. And the non-parents should worry a bit more about them as well and help out. We're not asking you to babysit. No, you don't have to change any diapers, but just sort of understand and get it.